Hi, welcome to Me IRL, Satisfies the Soul. Me watching YouTube reviews of the thing that I just purchased, I'll say purchased, to justify my purchase. I did a good thing. I made a good purchase. I had to invest a few more, I had to buy a few more things for the channel and to keep videos going. Even though I'm not making any money, like it's my hobby. It's something that I enjoy doing. Like, and it's something that honestly, it brought me out of my shell. Okay, when I first recorded my first video, and you're probably like just like, stop saying the story. But I was extremely shy. I had to say what I wanted to say and then stop. Think about what I wanted to say. Start again. Stop. Start again. Say what I wanted to say and then stop and then rethink. I may as well have just written myself a script for f***ing. You know what I'm saying? Now where was I talking? Anyway, purchases. Yeah. This is my hobby. Basically, I just kind of got halfway and like the competitive little thing in the back of my head, or like the little, let's just say a little person in the back of my head just went, you know, you could do better. And that's what I've been doing. Every time I look back, because I have to edit the videos, I look at the flaws and I look at how the videos could get better. So that's probably why I'm talking a lot more. That's probably why I'm a lot more that's why I'm a lot more authentic, because sometimes I come across as not authentic. Like sometimes I just don't really come across as that I'm being me. So that's what I need to work on. I need to like calm down, and I need to like just like try to like find who I am and like try to like find a calmer version of myself that could still do this. By the way, Wolfy, say hi to the camera. There you go. Hi, buddy. Me IRL. This poor fly got on the plane of Houston and will get off in London. Hey, buzz buzz. He's just flying around there like, look at the Eiffel Tower. Hey, buzz buzz. Le buzz buzz. Le buzz buzz. Le buzz buzz. Bonjour. Bro, send me that cool pic you took of us last night. The pic. It looked so much better last night, bro. Me IRL. I accidentally became important at work and it's ruining my life. I am doing my job too good. I need to limit people's standards. No, just kidding. Do your job good. Do it the best you can. Do it for yourself. Do the best you can at your job for yourself. Be like I said when I was like what I said before about doing this before. Do it for you. Do it, or like become competitive with yourself. So like if you're a janitor, for example, because that's what I am, and it took you a little bit longer to mop the floors or whatever, try to find a way to do the swishy in a faster mood, and then you can try to get it done faster. Try to wipe down the things. It's almost kind of like a little race for yourself, and like it almost kind of like gives you like a little adrenaline rush. You know what I mean? Just like, but don't go too fast. Like you say, like you can't get everything done at once and then all of a sudden you're just like, I'm bored. And don't do that. Okay? If you're in a job and you just have to say I'm bored, or like you have to just, or like you're standing around, no. Me IRL. My first instincts when I see an animal is to say hello. My first interaction when I see a person is to avoid eye contact and hope it goes away. It's also the same with like whenever I see a person driving by, I have to wave at them like this. And I wave at everybody like that. So it's like I'm not targeting you, or like it's not like I'm waving at you because I'm your friend or whatever. It just that's just. I think it was a thing at work. I got it. It's just like you just wave at everybody. It was like I think I was riding with Dad one time there, and he's riding with me, and he's just like, and I'm just like waving at everybody, and I'm just like, I can't help it. It's what I learned at the parks. It's just like riding around on a parade float. Would you like some candy? But hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to get it out as fast as I can. Help me get more subscribers. Share it. If you like this video, share it. If there's something I say, share it. If you or like that somebody else likes, share it. Like, comment, subscribe, bye.